Hi, my name is Gefei Liu. If you want to learn more about my play Birds and the Curiosity, written by me and Olivia Xing, please check out this video. I think I um I first fall in love with theater. I think it is when I was back in high school. So, I mean, when I was in elementary school and when I was in middle school, I did go to theater, but because from where where I come from, there wasn't much going on in the theaters at that time. So yeah, I wasn't that exposed to theaters when I was a kid. But when I entered middle school, I met several friends, and there was a art festival at our school. So it's a annual festival, and my friend and I, we would put up sketch comedy shows every year, and that was just super fun. And we kept doing that each year. And I think I just really enjoyed working with friends, creating something new, creating something fun. So after I entered college, I didn't study anything theater related, but I joined the theater club and the musical club at college, and I still am very lucky. I met another bunch of friends and we worked together. Those are just fun experiences. So I think theater to me it's a way of finding friends, meeting people who I can um connect with emotionally. Yeah. I think writing has been kind of hard for me, especially after um I how do you say um especially after I become an official grown up. Because I mean in China we have this like writing session in our Chinese exams, and it is graded in a way that is not um how do you say this? I feel like the grading system, it just doesn't approve any creative writing. They just want the writing to be really organized, and basically creative ideas are just not encouraged. So I struggled for a time when I was in high school, but um, when I entered college, I think I felt more I feel kind of scared of writing sometimes because I feel like um, my writing has always been graded, and um, it it is hard to try to get rid of that grading system, to get rid of that examination system. So I think I eventually started to enjoy writing when I came here, when I came to Cal Arts for grad school. I started to take some classes in writing, and I mean, even though it's still hard for me because um, I mean, I'm writing in a different language, but it's nice to have those mentors and teachers who are so encouraging. They would always be like, "Oh, there's no wrong ways of writing. All the writings are good." I think this type of thought is just really relieving for me because I could just do free writes. I could just write down any silly ideas I have in mind, and I know that this is totally fine. That is just the way writing is. I think theater can really connect people. I mean, either it be like connect people within the production team, the actors, the designers, the managers, or connecting the team with the audience. I mean, we always meet new people in the theater, and maybe there will be chance to make friends with someone in the audience. And this chance of meeting new people alive alive living people. That is just so different from any other forms of art. I think we don't really have any idea how the story will turn out to be when we started writing it. Um, it's just that um, last summer, Olivia and I, we were both so boring. We're so bored, and we just wanted to find something to do. And because previously we have produced a show based on Olivia's experience, so we were like, okay, fine, let's create a show based on my experience. So we had a chat. We talked about my experience, my especially my childhood, and we both think, oh, it will be fun to create a story that is based on my childhood story, which is basically my experience as a slightly oversized kid, and that is how we decided to go into the direction that we're going right now. The themes are multiple, but I think the most important one is to find your authentic self. And other minor themes includes a children's creative agency and the loss of your loved ones, and also how to accept yourself as you are. I mean, Olivia and I, we have been working on a lot of, I mean, maybe 5 projects together before. I think we are two very different people, but we kind of complete each other in some way, especially in writing. So I think in writing, she is very good at just flowing with the natural, going with the natural flow, and she is very good at like writing very natural conversations, and she has this very cheerful energy that could always, how do you say, like whenever I was down or anything, when I was upset, she has this energy to just cheer me up. Um, and but we do have some similarities. I think we both have a very special sense of humor. And that is why writing with her is never too boring. I think I want the audience, when they are walking out of the theater, I want them to feel like, wow, this is theater. I This sounds a little bit ambitious, but I want to redefine theater for them, to make them feel like, oh, theater isn't just Shakespeare. Theater isn't just serious, expensive stuff. Theater is accessible, it's fun. I'm really looking forward to hear some feedback from the audience, especially the kids. We're now marketing the show as a family friendly show, and there will be a lot of kids coming to see our show. And this is quite a new experience for me because this is like my first kids friendly show, and I think they will have some completely different reaction than adults, and that will be fun. I think this is a very private story that is universal in its theme. And I believe that people will find moments in this play that will truly impress them and live with them even after they leave this theater. Hi, my name is Gefei Liu. My play Birds and the Curiosity, written by me and my friend Olivia Xing. There will be shadow puppets, a giant ostrich, a hamsters singing, and a lot of other fun stuff happening in this show. It's family friendly, but it's also welcoming all age audiences. Um, you will laugh for sure. You will probably cry a little bit if you're emotional. But anyways, it is a story that I believe should be heard by everybody. And please come to see Birds and the Curiosity. See you at the theater.